is NBC Palm Springs.
And coming up, the dentist to the stars just in time for Halloween so that you keep your teeth. October is National Dental Hygiene Month to shine a light on your pearly whites. It just takes 4 steps. Dr. Catrise Austin is here. She's dentist to the stars, and she's back with us after, I guess, going across the country, spreading the good word of dental hygiene is so important. I had a thought, you know, what if you did nothing? You know, you didn't brush, you didn't floss, you didn't rinse. I know it would be gross.
Breath. Oh my God.
How fast would your teeth go south?
If you combine it with a lot of sugar and the bacteria that forms on your teeth every day, pretty quickly.
They're gonna rot.
Yeah, they're gonna rot.
They're gonna rot,
and it's painful and it's odorous, and we don't want that.
No, we don't. So how do we keep the smile we've got? The first thing, of course, is brushing.
Brushing. I actually have a 4-step smile workout program. So every morning, do these 4 steps. It's brush, floss, rinse your mouth, and scrape the tongue, because the tongue holds a lot of hidden bacteria.
Yeah.
What are we scraping with?
There's a tongue scraper. You can brush your tongue, but the tongue scraper is very effective. You see these little ridges? It pulls that bacteria right off the tongue.
Okay. All right.
Where does the bacteria on your tongue spread to, or what does it do?
It just gets it, there's crevices. So when you use this tongue scraper, you just bend it like that, and when you stick your tongue out, you'll see a white or brown film of bacteria just coming off the tongue.
I hope you're not eating breakfast right now.
Oh my goodness. Hopefully you're brushing your teeth.
But you know, that's probably the one thing that people don't do.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And flossing is a little cumbersome if you have to, you know, pull the thread out and kind of wrap it around your fingers.
That's why I love these flossers. You can get a bag of 75 or 100, and it's so easy. You don't have to wrap it around, just take it, and you want to go up and down. Don't go zigzag. You want to clean the sides of the tooth. That's the goal.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so up and down.
Get that plaque off there?
Yes, you don't want that plaque to turn hard into tartar,
because
that's when you can't get it off.
All right, and then you've got to go to the dentist, and then you're in
Every
the chair
6 months.
for an hour and a half.
Yes,
and
the
it goes
instruments and the needles, no.
No.
If you do this.
So now you've got mouthwash here, and I'm wondering, you know, is mouthwash, or is that just a gimmick that, you know, they're trying to sell you more product?
Well, it's great with rinsing that bacteria away and giving you that minty, fresh breath. It's also can pull the bacteria from your mouth. I have a natural rinse here, which is just coconut oil. It's called coconut oil pulling, which has been around for many years. And you just rinse for about 5 minutes, and it'll get the bacteria out. So
a full mouthful of coconut oil? Okay.
Actually, if you try it, it actually tastes really good.
Okay.
I don't know, it does.
What does it leave your mouth feeling like?
It feels like you rub your tongue around. It feels really good, like smooth.
Smooth? Okay.
Yeah.
Rather than slimy.
Like a Mounds bar?
Yeah.
Coconut?
Probably not, Tim.
Not quite.
So what about the ones that have alcohol? That's the trend, is not to have alcohol.
No more alcohol. You'll see that everything is turning to alcohol-free, 0, no alcohol. It dries out the tissues and allows the plaque to stick to your teeth and gums more.
Okay. And so an electric toothbrush as opposed to
the
just
soft
the old...
manual. If you are going to use a manual, please make sure it's soft. The hard and medium is too hard. It actually scrapes the enamel away, leading to sensitivity. So if you want to avoid that, soft bristles, and the timer. It has a preset timer so that you're brushing the 2 minutes.
Like 2 minutes.
30 seconds for each section of the mouth.
Now you could get an Oral-B electric that's like $20, but then you have the really high-end.
Diamond Clean is about.
Is there a difference?
$200. It's the brush strokes. So a Diamond Clean will brush 40,000 brush strokes per minute.
Okay.
Whereas a lower brand, a smaller brand may not go as many brush strokes.
But
it all does the job.
It does the same thing, right? You don't have to spend that.
You don't have to spend that much.
And I think you raised an interesting point here of a soft brush, because I think intuitively you think I've got to brush harder to get rid of that stuff.
Nope, the plaque is soft, so you don't need anything hard to remove it.
Good to know.
If it's hard and tighter, then you can't brush it away. You need the dentist to use those instruments. Yeah, so.
Well, thank you so much for the information.
Thank you so much for having me back.
And now you are our dentist to the not stars.
Local celebs.
You're a star. You guys are stars.
Small
screen.
Thank you for being here.
Keep that smile going.
Brush
We're
your
back
teeth
after
in
this.
the morning and night.